y'all. I'm at the train station, waiting on that butterfly train. The train I'm looking for today is the number 2 train. And that's my girl Tina from Tina and Life. But Tina's on vacation, so they, the budgeting butterfly, might step in for her. So let's wait here for a minute for this train. Also at this train station, they might have dogs barking, just giving you a heads up. Alrighty. So this is the butterfly train. Oh, I'm too close. I'm sorry, y'all. Alrighty. Today, we're working on Tina and Life. She is caboose number 2. Or is it car? No, it's car number 2. The caboose is, I think, is the last car. Anywho's. Alrighty. Tina's on vacation in Africa, so Vay is filling in for her. Vay is from the budgeting butterfly. Alrighty. This is a game that we have, that they, not we, I'm just playing. I didn't come up with any parts of it, but I love it. This is a saving challenge that Vay and the Blessed Budget by Abigail, right here, came up with. And I love it. It's a way for us to save money as a group and to, let's see, showcase other channels. I'm sure that's not the word, but hey, that's a new one. There we go. Showcase other channels. We have 27 cars, and I'm going to read off the list as best as I can because a couple of people, I'm still having problems with your name, and I'm so sorry. Alrighty, here we go. The Conductor is Vay from the Budgeting Butterflies. Card number 1 is the Blessed Budget by Abigail. I call her Barbie, like a lot of us do. Card 2 is Tina and Life. Card 3 is Postal Planner. Card 4 is Coupe de Ville. Card 5 is EMT Dispatcher on a Budget. Card 6 is Craft and Budget with An. Card 7 is the Lovely Budgets, HK. Card 8 is Leo World, 733. Card 9 is Sand on a Budget. Card 10 is Grammy's Journey. And card 11 is Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budget. That's me. Card 12 is 9 Budget. Please don't kill me. Card 13 is the Traveling and Saving Chief, 95. I'm sorry, the Traveling Chief 95 is her name, but her channel is the Traveling and Saving Chief. 14 is Frugality is Life. Card 15 is Boop and Budgets, I'm sorry, Betty Boop. Boop and Budgets. Card 16 is Mum She Queen. Card 17, Elaine Realize. Card 18 is Cash and Color Budget. Card 19 is Money, Boss in the Making. Card 20, Mindy's Budgeting. 21, Dreamy Budgets. 22, Forming New Habits. 23, Overthinking and Budgeting. Card 24, CBA Mom Saves. Card 25, Ladybug Budgets. Card 26, Budget to Blessing. And card 27, Erica Makes Plans. Alrighty, that's all the writers. Alrighty. Now, what you can do as a subby, go subscribe to all 27 of these young ladies, 28 counting the Conductor. Give them a little watch hour. You know, just, even if you just watch the video of their budgeting train. But just, you know, go give them some love. And then in the comments, because you want to engage, because this benefits you. You want to engage. So when you engage, you put the word Bufferfly Train. And then when the contest is over, I think toward the ending part of December, we're going to pull a drawing, and they're going to have out a couple of prizes. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Alrighty. Now, Tina's car is number 2. So we're going to go here to number 2. So Vay pulled it for Tina, and she had a choice of the 3 or the 5 or the 3 and 5, but Vay put in 10. I'm putting in 10 because I'm putting the number that's here, and then I'm also putting in their car number. And I'm going to try to do that for everyone. You know, it's 27 of us, so we'll see how that goes. But you only stuff what you can stuff. Alrighty. So here's my 10. So that's 5 and 3 plus 2. That's $10. Alrighty. I want to do some with these wheels and everything else on here, but we're going to worry about that a little bit later on. I'm just going to stuff the cash, as they say. And every time she said it gets in my head. Alrighty. Alrighty. So, Tina in Life, I am putting $10 in. We also have an envelope. And you guys, I know we're talking about how fun this is, but you guys missed this train. But it is going to be a train 2, a number 2 train. Don't know exactly when, but it's coming. And make sure you guys look out for in the community posts or all 28 of those channels to mention when train 2 is going to start. All right, good peeps. Have a good one. And all aboard. Stay groovy. Peace. Hello, hello. I just got off the train, so let me start my Sunday saving with friends. We're going to try to knock out some it's time for them to be knocked out. Alrighty. We're working with 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. We're working with 150. My cash tray is holding my saving challenges that I got in the mail. Somebody found my money, and yeah. I said, like, y'all don't cost me enough. Now you have to eat up my money. Y'all doing that with dog food. But how's everybody weekend going? It's Sunday, fun day. Unless you have to work, then it's no fun. But alrighty, we are going to, let me do the high roller first. No, let me do, okay, move this here. Alrighty. Move this over here. I know I can break these 20s down. The kids are in the house, so hopefully they're tired. Oh, let me move my sunflower seeds. I ordered some sunflower seeds from this place called Smacking, because I love sunflower seeds, but David's sunflower seeds lately is like one big ball of salt. So I said I wanted to try somebody else's. But anywho's, I'll show y'all that later. It ain't sponsored, you know, it's just, if I like something, I'm gonna share it. Like I forgot to share last week, and I made a video for my mom, but maybe I can try to edit out what I was saying and just show you guys the video. I know they don't do it everywhere, but Honey Baked Ham, you can go in there and ask for a ham bone. I don't know, did I tell you guys this? Or I might have been telling one of my neighbors. I don't forget. You can go in there and ask for a ham bone, and there's so much meat. I think I did tell y'all about this. See, I'm sorry. There's so much meat on there. But, and it used to be $5. Now it's like $7.99. But anywho's. Alrighty, we're going to start with Miss L. Thomas. I found all of them, y'all. Everything in pink is what I found. So I found Budget with Chuckles, Budgeting Cat. That took me the longest. Budgeting April, Becca Budgets, Budget with Fatima, CW Does Life, Teach, Save, and Travel, Leo World, Norellis Lee, that's what's on here, Samantha Nelson. Yep, that was it. I found all of them. Thank you, Lauren. I love this. I was doing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 10, so that's 20 bucks. I was doing $2 for each word. So this should give me a total of $100. Now ask me what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna start writing that down when I do my challenges. In the beginning, just write down what are you gonna do with it. Because if I don't write down what I'm gonna do with it, it's gonna end up going to the kids. I don't want it to go to the kids. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yay! Alrighty. Ding, 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 ding. Alrighty. Let me put 100 on here. And we finished at 11:10. Thank you guys for all the wonderful birthday wishes to my mommy. I screenshot them and sent them to her. She said, thank you. She was like, tell your friends, thank you. Those not friends, that's family, mama. Alrighty, $100. Okay, thank you, Lauren. Also found another word search, but I'll show you guys that later. Then here come the thieves, stealing all your money. Alrighty. This is Allie Bear Budgets and April Fresh Start. Oh, they always get me. Look at that. $44. I don't know if you can see it. Look, $44. Let me take it off the clipboard for one. Okay. I think I'm going to come back Tuesday and finish the rest of my Sunday saving with friends. Because one, I'm pretty sure I don't have enough today, especially after this one. I wish I shut the box. I hope I shut the box. Alrighty. Again, this is Shut the Box Trick or Treat from Allie Bear Budgets and April First Start. Alrighty. We're rolling a 12-sided die. And let's do this. 3. I can't stand getting low numbers. 5. Oh. Give me the high numbers, please. Give me the high numbers. 4. I'm in trouble, y'all. I'm in big trouble. 10. Well, at least it took out that 9 and 1. 11. This game just do not like me. Alrighty, what we got? 15, 17, 23, 13, and 10, 23. 23. It just doesn't like me, plain and simple. That's why I said I hate when I dislike when I take out my small numbers first. 1, 2, 3, 23. Now let's see what's in here. Look at that. That's where all my money at. Look at that. I don't know what I'm going to do with this either. I don't know. I think I might make this be my Thanksgiving money. Alrighty. Say 23, huh? Oh, I just got money everywhere. You know, let me buy some of these out of here. before I count it up. What I got, $60. And then all the rest is singles. Alrighty. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40. And I have 20, let's get 20 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20. Okay. That's a lot of singles to be. All right, let's do this. Alrighty. In Trick or Treat, Alley Bear Budgets and April 1st start, we have 10, 20, 40, 52, 152, 20, 40, 60, 80, 152. OMG, y'all. OMG. Let me find a clip. Let's go with this one. I'm gonna take out 2, and this will be 50. I think I'm gonna buy these for my Medical Monday tomorrow. 152. 152. 11, 10. Wow. Did I say what? No, I did not say what. All right, y'all. Oh, what I wanted to tell you guys was for the Tata Tuesday, these two, what's this, 64? This is going to be donated to the animal shelter in my area. I'll screenshot what I purchased, and then hopefully they let me screenshot a puppy or two while I'm there. But then again, you know what? I don't need to be even looking. Don't worry about it. But I am going to screenshot, well, take a picture, not screenshot. Take a picture of what I end up donating. Alrighty. Okay. Wow, 152. I told you, Shelter Box just doesn't like me. And I think I done downloaded some more Shelter Boxes. Alrighty, what's next? I'm going to try to finish some. I haven't even put my mood tracker money in here yet. Thankful, I'm going to save. S&C, I'm going to save. 21. Yeah, she beat me yesterday. But I'm going to save that. Alrighty. Let's do Norella's budget. Okay. We rolling a 6-sided die. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty, let's try to knock this out. Okay, we got a 2. 2. 4. Add a 5, take back a 1. 5. Let me put this one here. I'm pretty sure I can probably add, but I'm not. What I say, 5? 1. 3 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know what? I'm gonna add $1 for each one of these. How about that? Because I feel I'm cheating if I don't. Alrighty. Alrighty. 7. Alrighty. And we're finished with Norella's budget. And you guys see my Happy Mail that she sent me something. So I'm going to make sure. 11, 10. Okay. If I go through all my singles or ones, I don't have to go to the bank at all. I just keep buying them back. I think that's upside down. Alrighty. And the roller slave gave us 20, 30, 40, 5, 6, 7, 50, 60, 69. Very good. Cool. $69. We can go for that. Alrighty. Thank you, Nori. I found these paper clips at Dollar Tree. They have Monday through Friday on some, then they had a day today, tomorrow. Just do it. I thought it was pretty cute. And that's my problem, picking up stuff that's pretty cute. I don't know why I can't talk today. Ding, ding, ding. Alrighty, what's next? For saving challenges that I always, for creators that I always play every time you turn around, every month, I'm just gonna go ahead and make some dashboards. Alrighty, L. Thomas, we did finish this. Why is it back in here? We finished it. So this is number 3 today. Yay, yay, yay. Alrighty. We finished Allie Bear, but I think I have something else in there for Allie Bear. Let me do this one. This is from Becca Budgets. And what do we have left? We just have a 7? Oh, let's just fill in the 7. 1, 2, and 5. Alrighty. Ding, ding, ding. Another one. Another one bites the dust. 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 30, 35. I'm hoping that's what everybody else saved. 35. Yay. 11, 10. Alrighty. I think I might end up doing a randomizer, which I haven't did one of those in a while. And then I think Elaine realizes next. Make sure you guys send Elaine Realize some love. And while you sending her some of that love, make sure you go and give her some watch hours and subscribe. We're trying to get Elaine to 1,000. Life is lifing over there with her. She's downsizing, so she's moving. Alrighty. Ooh, I think I can do it. Alrighty. Look like I have a lot, but it's all singles. So Elaine Realize. There go Woods and Winter. And we're gonna roll. Let's roll a 10-sided die. What's this one? This is an 8. I think this is an 8 also. Yep, that's an 8. One more. 9, 10. Okay. I'm gonna roll a 10-sided dice because this goes to the pet. Alrighty. 1. Now we can do better than that now. 4. Oh, come on. You know what? I'll make this a 5. It's for pets. I said it's for pets. Come on. 3. Okay. Forget it. 10. 5 and 6. Alrighty, so we got 10, 29. Alrighty. I'm going to take this 30 and take back a single. So now we're looking at 10, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 50, 60, 66. And I didn't write what was on the other side, but a 66 on this side. And this is 1110. I finished that other one in October. Alrighty, y'all. Where did this come from? Oh, I just took the... Alrighty, ding, 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 ding. Is that it? I think that might be it for all the smaller challenges. Let me put this out the way before I think it's a phony one. Alrighty. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, right? Okay. Alrighty. Hold please while I get my bigger saving challenges. Hold please. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if we can finish S and C harmony. And then Tuesday I'll work on thankful. I use the crayon for this. Alrighty, what about, let's see, 10, 17, 25, 27. I think we just go ahead and finish it. Oh, look at that 5 hiding under there. 5, 10, 25, 26, 27. Alrighty. And S and C, budgets and creations. Hold on, let me look at my notes. Charge it to this old brain. Don't charge it to my heart, y'all know my girls. All right, let's see. S&C budget creations, which is Celenthia budgets, and I am Kathy J budgets and Vogue. All right, let's see if we ended up with 71, because you know I'm good for going in, making change, and not doing what I'm supposed to. Alrighty. 20, 30, 40, 50, 61. 71. Yay! Now, with this beautiful woman on here, this should be going towards something for me. I think about it. You know, I think I need some tennis shoes, gym shoes, sneakers, whatever you call it in your part of the world. Because for some reason, I have some shoes, I forgot the name of them, but they're supposed to be comfortable and all that, but man, my back is like, no, this is not working. And I usually just have New Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I usually just walk around with New Balance gym shoes. So, is this number 6, y'all? I think this number 6. I'm gonna count it in the end. And I want to catch up with some of this one. 6 die. It's supposed to be 3, but I just rolled 1 because I won't know where the numbers go. Alrighty. 1. 1. Tilted. 1. Alrighty, $3. 1, 2, 3. This is by Ange Budgets and Debt and Stitchy, which is Jan Brown. Saves. Alrighty, let's try this one more again. One more again. Okay, 1. Are you kidding me, right? Let me shake it. 4. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. I think we got enough to do it again. 3, 5, and 1. That's $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should I try it? Should I try it? I'm gonna try it. Wow. That's what I get for trying it. 6. That's my 9 right there. Now I would like a 1. Hey, there we go. 10. Alrighty. I said this was 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it was 8. Let me get $2. Alright. Let me find my envelope. Okay. Here it is. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 28 this go around. Alrighty. I'm gonna be back in here by some of these singles out of here. But that would be it, good peeps. And can you believe we knocked out one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 challenges today. Can you believe that? 6. Yay! I'm gonna cover up the beautiful woman. Alrighty. Alright, good peeps. 6 challenges. Yay! Now I just have to sit here and figure out where they're going. Except for this one, we know they're going to pets. Alrighty. Thank you, thank you. You guys have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And I'll catch you guys for Mini Medical Monday. Or Monday Mini Monday. Or I don't know what I wrote down there. But anywho, I'll see you tomorrow. And the rest of my Sunday saving will be Tuesday. Alright, good peeps. Stay groovy. Peace.